Comic artist Ken Landgraf here, and I'm working on a Gil Kane Conan commission where I'm actually inking Gil Kane. And this is cool because on this particular job, I was Gil Kane's assistant in the 1970s. He had me read some Conan paperbacks and diagram what the story was going to be about, so he didn't have to read all the books. He just wanted to get right to the drawing. So I'm working on this sky here. And I'm using the pen a certain way so you can see that there's clouds here, but they're being defined by the lines. I'm doing some rendering on this job. It's got a lot of wood pieces. So what I'm going to do here is inking part of the boat. Most of this drawing I did with a brush, but I'm doing some of the small details now with the pen. Throw a shadow from the rope onto the wood. Drawing the rope shapes there. There's a jug. Sitting on this bench. I'm gonna get some wood texture in there too. He's got some cloths in here. Looking on Conan's boot. And I didn't use any zip-a-tone on this because I wanted this to look like a real Marvel 1970s type page. Try putting some long strokes in here for fun. And my assistant job on this was the only job I got paid for working for Gil Kane. He gave me $50. And I saw he had a family and he had a studio and everything. So I was getting a monthly check from the military because I was still in the reserves. So I could get by on that check alone, selling some comic books. So what I did was I told Gil, let me make photocopies of all your work. So I ended up with hundreds and hundreds of his layouts and his anatomy studies, which I have for sale too. I'm going to work on the rope. I'm going to work on some of that sky. It's going to take forever. Turn the page upside down. I'll try a different pen here. There's plenty to do on this drawing. Lots more rendering. it's looking really intense. Okay, so there we have Landgraf inking Gil Kane. Looks like this is going to be a masterpiece if I say so myself. Okay, if you like what I did, please subscribe to my channel. Landgraf signing off.